Okay, my device went off. All right, my device went off. So by the time I plug in the charger, oh man, very bad. Okay, but no worries. So let's see if we're gonna catch our movement. Okay, so as I said, you come at the 57 candle. Okay, so we are just watching the 57 candle. 57 candle, that's what we are focusing. Okay, 57 candle, and this is the 57 candle. Where is it? Here it is. This is the 57. No, this one is the 57. No, this one is the 57. So this is where we put our high and lows. Okay, that's the place where we put our highs and lows. And this is the place also we put our low. We saw a breakout. Now after seeing a breakout, so let's measure our 20 pips horizontal line. 20 pips horizontal line there. We mark that, and then we measure down again our 20 pips. Okay, that's our 20 pips. Okay, so we saw a breakout of our 3 higher, and also a breakout of our horizontal 20 pips. But we had something here. This was our higher. Okay, which now we can say we saw a break of a structure by the body, but we had a fair value gap here. This was our fair value gap. Okay, remember we had also this as our break of a structure here. Okay, perfect. So what caused this break of a structure? The last candlestick. Now we can say this is the candle where we should focus on selling. Okay, so we focus on selling. So guys, you can just sell. Okay, why do I say sell? Because of this candle here. Okay, and now so we have the higher and the low. Let's see if we measure the before pressing sell. Let's first use the Fibonacci retracement to measure this here. Okay, so if price will still go up, we expect price to come to this level a little bit, and then we will see some dropout, and our target will be this will be our TP1, TP2, 49.70. Okay, that's where we think we should exit the market. This one here. Okay, so that is our should exit the market at that point. So now what we need to do here, now this is what we're supposed to do. So if you measure that yes, we saw a breakout. So if you go to 1 minute, means you have to see something there. Okay, you have to see something there. You have to see something there. Now this is what we see on the on our watch. This was our breakup. This was our fair value gap that we had, and you can see now, because this was our break of a structure, there is a candle here, and again we have a fair value gap inside here. Okay, and again we have this one here. So this was for this one, and this break of a structure that we have, it was for this. So now look here, guys. So we have this as our what? Our order block, and this is what you see what price is doing here. But again, we have our fair value gap here, and we have the order block. Okay, yes, so we have order block here at the top. Now what should we expect price to do? This is what we should expect price to do. Okay, this is what we should expect price to do. Now this is our highest high. This is our highest high that we have, and we think price will come back for the retest before going down. I think so. Okay, and we have a fair value gap here. Okay, so we had this, and then we had this one here, and then we had that one here. Okay, and so this is what we should expect. If price will just come, okay, I think we have to see something here. This if you check this properly, break of a structure, so price has to come. Okay, price has to come. I don't know if it will come back and take the test back here or the test at this point here. See the high and this is the low. Okay, I think it is coming back for the retest as I said. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So now I'm waiting for this to come and take this liquidity, and then I will press my sells. So if your account is just $30, you can use 0.01 lot size. Okay, use 0.01 or 0.1 for just one order. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so price is still going up. So let's wait until this candle finish. We want to see until this candle finish. If it will finish below this, and then we'll say that this is a break of a structure, so it means still buyers are in control of the market. Okay, yes, now you see it came back to this zone here, and remember we have our what? We have this as our perfect. So it went to our fair value gap, this, and then now we want to see how many seconds have remained. Okay, so okay, perfect. So price has come to what? To our golden level. Now this is the place where we were waiting for price to come. So now you see this range has been broken. So now means buyers are still, but we have an order block here. Okay, and also we have a fair value gap inside there. All right, we have a fair value gap inside there, this one here. Okay, so we still have that, but let's wait and see. And we have another fair value gap here. You see this one here. So I'm expecting price will come to here, and I'm gonna put my sales down. Okay, I'm gonna put my sales down. Okay, I'm gonna put my sales down there. Okay, so we focus on 1 to 2, guys. We just focus on 1 to 2. I told you that's the price, so my stop loss will be just okay. Let's see how it goes, and we focus on 1 to 2. Okay, we focus on 1 to 2. One to 2 there. Perfect. 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 This was the inverted fair value gap, which price came there. Okay, so let's see. So this was the breakout. This was the breakout, and we have a fair value gap here. So price might come to this fair value gap here, or to this, and then it will react going up a little bit. So this is our selling point. So because we came late, so we missed this our setup breakout of the 3 minutes. But whenever it goes up, it has to come down for the retest. So now this is what we were waiting for it to come for the retest, and then we go down. So there we are almost reaching our target, guys, 1 to 2. And if we hit our 1 to 2, and then we stop there fast, and then we see how it goes. But let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, inside here also we have a fair value gap. You can see here we have a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap there inside. Price is back again. Okay. Let's watch. Let's watch. Maybe someone can say, can I still enter again for sell? Yes, you can enter again if you did not place sell. You can enter because of this fair value gap. That's why price came back for the retest at this level here. So you can enter again or sell. Stop loss should be around there, 45 pips. Okay, or 55 or 45 pips. Sorry. Okay, so amazing. Now if you're following, you can just share on the comment. Share on the comment. We see if you took this trade. Okay, and where are you watching the live stream? On the description there is a group for VIP. Okay, but I just need 50 people, guys. I just need 50 people that I want to trade with them. Okay, serious trading. A minimum of $30 is enough for you to start trading. Okay, and the broker we are using is HFM. Okay, so make sure you use the broker that I'm using for you to be, that's the number one eligible criteria for you to be in my VIP group. Okay, 50 people we are going to trade together, and we want to make a minimum of $20 per day. So London session and New York session, we were looking for that. Okay, so a total of $20 is enough for you in a day. You know, in a week that is $100. You know, in a month that is $400, which is a good money. Okay, so let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Okay.